Alright YouTube, hope you guys been out there building shit. So this is the newest worthshop truck. This one's got a dump bed. I'm gonna need to build those sides up higher for hauling debris and trash and whatnot. Airing up the tire right now. I'm just doing some quick going over of this truck to see what's going on with it. And the belts were squeaking a little bit, tighten them up. I'm not going to get new ones quite yet. I will though probably pretty soon. See a vacuum line there. It's no longer there, and I can see where it goes to behind it, so I'm going to go ahead and figure that out. A little bit of oil leaking from the valve covers. I'll probably fix that. Other than that, just needs a good little cleanup. It's a great truck, I think. It's going to serve us pretty well. I'm glad that we were able to find it. And so, till next time, just believe in yourselves. Believe that you guys can do projects like this, whether it's fixing a car or needing a truck to do some hauling or cleanup work or anything else. Just believe in yourselves and keep building shit. Alright YouTube, so I got a new piece of vacuum hose on there. Not new, it was just kind of out of my junk pile, but it'll work. Got the belts tightened up. I did both of them, the alternator one and the power steering. I'm pretty sure it was power steering squeaking, but the alternator one seemed pretty loose too, so I did that up. So now I'm going to jump in, we'll start it up, see how it sounds. There's the interior. Already got a couple pairs of gloves in there. Already took in a load of scrap today and a load of trash in the new truck. Love that seat though. It was a Christmas gift from the wife of the guy that I bought this truck from, and yep, I'll definitely remember him. I appreciate this truck a lot. So let's jump in here. I'll let you guys hear it. Clutch pedal sticks a little bit. Maybe I'm pushing it down a little bit too far. I don't know. Got a decent stereo in here with a remote. And as I told you guys, it's a dump bed. Kind of squeaky. Need to oil it up. Do a little bit more maintenance on it and stuff. Well, overall, pretty solid, good truck. Until next time, believe in yourselves, keep building shit.